Hello, and welcome to the Ski Piste Series. In this episode, we're at Powder Mountain, Utah, and we're going to go down the Blue Run Hidden Lake. We start our run at the top of the Hidden Lake chairlift at Hidden Lake Lodge, approximately 8,900 feet in elevation. Our first trail we start off on East 40. This part of the trip can be the least enjoyable, particularly for snowboarders, as it's a cat track and generally level and difficult to gain speed. On this particular day, the wind was ripping over the crest of the hill, adding an extra layer of excitement to the trip. For skiers continuing on East 40 or going to Hidden Lake, it's better to go off to the side of the hill to gain some momentum. Here we see the sign labeling this a black diamond. However, on the map it's labeled a blue. Having ridden it, blue is the appropriate category. If it's difficult to see the contour lines of the terrain, believe me when I tell you, it was equally as difficult that day. The trail is mostly rolling mounds, and generally fun to ride. Off to the left of the trail is a half pipe. Here's where Hidden Lake ends, and we merge back onto East 40. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And leave a comment letting me know what you think about Powder Mountain. It's one of my favorite resorts.